Alright everybody, so today's video, I'm going to weld this grease hitch to the frame of my dump truck. It's going to change later, but for now, because of time and money reasons, we're just going to slap this up here. This is going to be short and sweet. I'm going to prep the frame, prep the grease hitch, weld them up, be done. Probably test fit the trailer, see how well it, lines up and everything. But without further ado, let's get started. Got to get this undercoat off. This old undercoat. Sometimes you just really got to get into your work, Now I'm going to try to grind the rest of this undercoating off and prep the surface for welding.
And safety first.
Safety third.
I tell you safety first. Safety first, damn it. Okay, so I have the hitch listen to me, clamped into place about where I want it. Going to fire up the welder right quick and zap it on, at least get it tacked on, because I'm getting ready to have weather from a hurricane. But I just figure I go through my setup right quick. This is obviously a Craftsman 230 amp or infinite amp 230 AC welder. And I've actually got where I'm pretty decent with the AC on it. I have a bucket that my dad gave me many years back. It's got a bunch of his stuff in it. I keep my rods and stuff in it. Got the helmet that he left me with the bucket. These were his gloves. These are new gloves that I bought, and he did help me set up the helmet here a while back with a different. They actually got a 1.5 cheater in there. Can't remember, I think it's a 10. I want to say this is a 10 lens with a protector over it. And the Bauer grinder, of course. But, so that's what I'm going to use to attack this thing with today. As soon as I find a place to set this camera to get it set up, we're going to at least get this thing tacked on. Alright, let's see what I can come up with. This is take 2 on mounting it.
Yes.
Since you destroyed the damn clamp last time.
Made in China.
Damn junk.
Everything else that comes from there. So I'm going to go ahead and zap it together with a 6011. Now that I have it placed where I want it as square as I can possibly get it to my eye. I'm going to tack it together on this side, get the back of it raised up, tack it together back there. Then I'm going to run a root pass around the whole thing with a 6011, and then I'll cap that off with some 7018. So let's see what we got here. try that.
Alright?
Yeah,
It's his vagina.
I burned a hole in my pussy. Oh, goddamn, it's still on fire.
Don't worry, I'm filming all this too.
That's the problem. How am I gonna get off money here?
You alright?
I think.
Don't worry, I filmed it.
Just take your pants off right there.
You
I'm
said-
okay. It doesn't
How you gonna tell a man to take his pants off? We're filming, man. We ain't making pornos. Jeez.
Okay, so this is a good site for me because this means I can move my equipment now with my own dump truck. So I've got it all welded on. Everything is good to go. It's always hard for me to get welds on camera, but I'm not a welder. I don't do the prettiest welds, but I do welds that'll work. I could probably weld some more on the insides, but I'm more than confident enough in the welds that I have out here. There are places that I couldn't get to under the shackles and stuff like that, but I got root pass and a cap on that one, or root and a filler. Same over there. I need to boost. Excuse me, mumbling. I need to knock off some slag. But okay, so that's welded on. I'm gonna hook this thing up to the trailer in the morning and make sure everything's good, and we'll smash this video together and put it on the internet. And there we have it. Quick and dirty, nothing special. Just a Valley brand Reese hitch attached to a 1992 Kodiak dump truck frame. So I could pull my little equipment trailer. Newest acquisition, little old school ditch witch. I don't even know how old that thing is yet. More videos on that later. I may need to raise the pintle hook plate, or well, lower it one thing so I could raise it a little bit, because it's kind of tilted a little bit forward, a little bit down toward the tongue. And while that trencher is heavy, I want to be able to load the Mini X and tote it around without dragging the ground. So I think we're going to drop that pintle hook plate right there, drop that pintle eye down on a trailer one notch. That way it lifts the tongue up a little bit. And when we get the Mini on there, I'll know that we're good and level no matter what we put on that trailer. Well, this is the rig. Old copy of a Butler trailer with mobile home axles on it. There's more story on that later as well. And 1992 Chevrolet Kodiak dump truck known as the Green Meanie. There's more video coming on this thing as well. But for today, that's it. That's our welding project, quick and dirty. Now I got my rig up and going. Hopefully fixing it up, doing videos of, probably some fiberglass. Not so much repair work, but just some touching up. Some rust spots. Then do some paint. I want to do some pinstriping on there. That's my money making machine, so I'm gonna do some gold pinstripe. It's kind of a green color more in person, and if not, it's gonna be when I get done with it. Got a 10-foot snowplow that goes with it, so there'll be some content on that. Hopefully we'll have some snow this year. And, it's just old truck, so there's going to be a lot of content on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Tune in for more, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever it is you want to do. Thanks for doing it.